had to make something for my dog. You know, I like to collect and stuff. Y'all may not know this because this is my first time making a video ever. So you may notice that my day is going good, and we're gonna make something out of this. And first off, we got the, I don't know, this is the first part of it and we're about to cook it, but here we go. Just gonna push it. Just give it a little push. We need some time for this to actually flatten like the other one. So we're just gonna split it half, another bowl. Because we're gonna won't come out. Oh my gosh. I'm gonna cut it into a little small. I'm just gonna cut it. Take it. Should I use a small or is it? I'm just gonna cut with this one. And we're gonna spread it around in there. And here we go. Now we're just gonna put it in the oven. Not a real oven, just my drawer. But we're gonna put it in there and we're gonna wait for a little while. So we're gonna wait. So today we're gonna do something else. We're gonna just wait here. First we have Barbie's sister that literally is getting married today. So we're cooking a special dinner for her sister though, This is her sister and her sister is bossing her around, and now her sister Barbie is now asleep. And she is getting her hair did from the bottom of her heart. But anyways, if I twist it, it won't stay because it is really not gonna stay. So it wasn't gonna stay. But we're gonna try some small ones going through. So you best believe it's about to get real. I'm just waiting. Just believe, honey. Okay, we got cement. And part of this. Good enough. Okay, now that we have something, we just gonna take it and we're gonna oh my gosh, bro. We're just gonna leave it down right now. But since it's been a while, we're just gonna click on the food. You wait over here. How beautiful cream, whatever you call them. I'm waiting, and oh, it's ready. And this is how it is looking right now, and I just poured it out. Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh. Now I'm gonna make it again because I just messed it up badly. Now we're gonna put it on the stove right here. It should be done right now. A duck. This is gonna be the seasoning. Direction. Now we're just gonna push it in. Oh my gosh. Off. Bon appetit. It's ready. We have ordered some tape baby packs. this. Just and she has pencil. If y'all didn't notice. And I did her hair. Now we just need okay, now she's done. Here we go. Where's my food at? It is right here. Thank you. Bye-bye. Goodbye. Okay, she takes her food home. And she cuts it up with this knife. Let's just set her down right here. Gently, gently. She puts a little bit more of her seasoning on it because she thinks it's not seasoned well. But I season her food well, baby. It's well seasoned and real well. And she puts some of these in there. Ooh. And she eats it. Okay, so now that it's eaten, but she didn't really eat it, it's right here. Now that we have it, we're gonna want it. It's just time to mix it up. Just gonna put this back in my jaw. Her famous sauce. This is how it's looking. Okay, now that we have that done, we're just gonna wash that out in a few minutes. We're just gonna we're just gonna put my hands. come back. But it took a lot of cleaning to get all that stuff off. But it was worth it. Now that she has eaten her food, we're gonna start playing with the slime. I'm gonna put the dolls up. Yeah. So we played last night. So this is how my story went from yesterday. I was asleep. Somebody came around. They woke me up. And they said, get up, put your clothes on. I put my clothes on. And I went back to sleep. And then I got spooked when somebody came in. And then I got spooked. I really got scared when my dad came in and told me to get up. And I was like, okay. And I brushed my teeth and stuff. I was really tired. But I still had a great fun day yesterday. Like, I run this, my dad won this beautiful pig for me. Well, it was actually meant for my stepmom, but my stepmom gave it to me. And he looks more like this little guy. This is what my dad won for hanging on the bar for not a long time, but it was a timer, and he hung on it for a lot of time. But my daddy won this pig for Tasha, but I took it because it's my pig. And we're gonna sit her right here. Yeah, we're gonna take this. And then now, I have this duck stamp. Oh, ducky. Ducky. I'm looking for it to make a ducky. Ducky. It made a ducky. Okay. Okay, guys, I feel a little bit too... Okay, now that we're done playing with the slime and the dolls, I'm gonna cut out, okay? Okay, I'm gonna cut out. So, bye-bye.